Working on the 2019 Charger, and what we're going to be doing is changing out the front halo and LED board lights. So as you can see here, I had to take off the whole front bumper. Then after removing the light, you have to take off the lens that goes to the light. It's right there. Using the heat gun, prying at the same time. And you gotta go in there and clean up all of where that seal is, put some new stuff in there. Now, the only thing left that needs to be done is you got some T-bits in here. There's one there, here. There's 4 altogether. And this comes off. And then we're gonna replace the LED rings, LED board, and halos. It's right there. So remember, for y'all's mobile mechanic repairs, message us at 214-791-7037. Or you can find us on Google at Fudo Mobile Mechanic, Facebook, Instagram.
Eat it like Pat, try to look like a donut, I'm a fat man. Coming up the head like a cat scan. I was robbing in the streets without Batman. Robbing in the streets without Batman. I'm eating gritty from the grove, I need a lap band. Running to my bank, look like my grassland. Look like some chick, then I hit her with my backhand. Robbing in the streets without Batman.